You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names, the name of these commune or town in France. Let's go and learn the French pronunciation first. Le Cateau, Cateau, E-A-U in French comes down to the sound O. Cateau-Cambrésis, Cambrésis, Le Cateau-Cambrésis. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, if your French pronunciation is not perfect, you can always say in English, Le Cateau-Cambrésis, Cambrésis, Le Cateau-Cambrésis. There's a famous Matisse museum there. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.